Okay, so we're here with Ariel, right? All the way from Dangriga, and this young lady have a big heart. They call all the way from Dangriga, bring a box of supplies and groceries and clothes, and she raises this all by herself. Tell us, Ariel, when make you decide to do this?
I just wake up one morning after the hurricane and I decided to help out victims of Hurricane Lisa, and so I made a little flyer and I sent it out through WhatsApp, and I got the support what I need.
So your friends, they bring stuff and they bring it and you put it in the box, and then when the box get full, what you decide to do?
I decided to bring it to the
Cause you messaged me last night, right? And you said I'm a young person, and the first thing catch my attention. How old are you, Ariel? 13 years old. And according to your mommy, this is not the first time you do something like this? What was the other event you raised something for?
I had a fundraiser for my friend that was diagnosed with bone cancer.
And how did that fundraiser go?
It went well.
Wow. No, my question is, what make you do anything here? Are you only 13?
Well, my grandmother told me that I should always help people in need. And so I just follow her sayings, and I will always willing and I'll always be helpful to people who need it.
Wow. Alright, give me a high five, man. Keep up the good work. Uncle, good job, man. Keep up the good work here. You want to be one star for Dangriga. Alright? Because you want to continue to do well though. Alright? Enough respect. Bye. Alright. Give me a new wave there, man. Okay, Billy, watch me camera. Say bye. Alright then. Good.